And this is the right way to walk in the house.
Hey everybody, I'm home. This is a ghetto way to go and sit down.
Oh, you touch my shoulders.
Hey! That's ghetto.
I guess this is the good way to sit down. You disgust me.
It's my mama cooking. Yum, yum, yum.
Myself with
Hi,
sliced
Sergio.
apple.
Woo!
Okay.
This is the ghetto way to eat.
Okay.
Again, I guess this is the good way to do it.
Well, I wanted it like that, a bunch of slices.
Yes.
You guys disgust me again.
This is a ghetto person, and this is a good person. Ghetto?
Ghetto is good.
Ghetto?
Get is down.